Okay, welcome to Fun with Canva. We are going to get into AI, and this tutorial is going to be on using Bing. So if you load up a Chrome page, Google page, and in the search bar, next to the search bar, it should come up with Copilot, or you can plug in here Bing and search for Bing. So what we're going to do is click on Copilot or Copilot. That's it, and it'll bring the Bing information up. All right, so as you can see here, I've already put in a prompt. So I'm going to just go in here and type another prompt, and I'll keep it pretty simple. So create 3D image of male elf warrior is holding a scroll ready to cast a spell. Alright, as simple as that the description can be, or even simpler. And then all you do is press enter, and what should come up is a description. Alright, sometimes you may get something like this. Alright, so what we can do is just come down to copy and click on that, click on Copilot, and it will open up a new window. So just copy and paste, press the enter. So it will bring up this stop recording thing. It'll create something. Sometimes it might create some text, and then it will think for a while. And while it's thinking, AI is incredible. It creates so many images. So there you go. From that simple prompt, it's created 4 photos for you. Sometimes it'll create 3, sometimes 2, sometimes 1. Now, the best thing about AI is it creates images from text that you put in, but it also has a tendency to muck up the hands. So you will see that there are images that you create and the hands aren't working. Depending on the type of description you put in, the hands may come up quite well or not so well. So you can see there that creates an image, and it's put in some extra bits and pieces like the armor, the arrows. But like you can see there, this one in particular, the elf is holding the scroll and ready to cast a spell. Okay, so you can press back there, go to the last image, and when that loads up, you can see it there. So with these images then, all you need to do is you click on the image that you want, you come over here to the dots, you press this, you can go to download, you can edit in Designer, there's more information, you can share it. Alright, so it has a wonderful array of things you can do. You can actually go to change it to pixel art, and it will recreate the image. Depending on how much it's got to recreate, it'll take time. So if you like that, you can press looks good, or you can undo. You can come through here. It's got a number of different selections. Alright, origami. So again, it will just take time to recreate the image, and once it's recreated the image, it'll pop it up. So there you go, origami. Alright, so undo. What I'll do is I'll just download this, Alright, so just download that to my folder, so it's downloaded. So I can just come over here. Alright, go to downloads, drag it in there under Bing AI folder. Alright, and then I can come over here to Canva and I can create a design. Instagram post square or portrait. I'll go portrait. Okay, and then to bring it into Canva, just come over here to uploads, go to upload files, look for the folder, designer, open, and it will upload. Once it's uploaded, just click on it, bring it in, and like before, you can come here and set image to background. Okay, you can come over here to edit photo. You can edit background using background remover. Depending on the type of background, it will remove some good stuff. So there you go, it's removed the background from the elf. Come over to shadows, you can do drop shadow, you can do outline, you can do glow, alright, all that sort of stuff. What else can you do? You can come over here, you can go to blur whole image, you can blur the whole image. Alright, so just like any other sort of image that you bring into Canva, the AI image can be used exactly the same. Alright, so this is a really addictive thing, this AI. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and look forward to seeing you on the next one through comments and views and likes and subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye for now.